A customer struggling with Roidmi if, plus robot vacuum charging, lack of LED display, and failure to remove dust automatically. The customer turned to us for a solution. Our team checked the robot vacuum and found a faulty battery and a faulty LED panel. Then we recommend replacing the battery and LED panel. Next, we disassembled the robot vacuum further to find other problems. Look what we found. It's like a dust party. There is a lot of dust and dirt on this castor wheel. It can get clogged. Fortunately, it moves normally despite the dirt inside. For maximum performance, we also recommend deep cleaning service. With customer approval, we do replacement and deep cleaning service. Now, the robot vacuum ready to perform at its best. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.